Hi everyone, today I have the Kenra Clarify Shampoo. This is one of my go-tos when my hair is feeling and looking weighed down due to just having product buildup or just those natural oils. I am one that uses quite a bit of texture spray and dry shampoo and other products throughout the week, and sometimes I can just feel my hair kind of holding that product and just looking and feeling weighed down and heavy. And so this is one of my favorite clarifying shampoos. I feel like after I use it, my hair just feels so much cleaner and it looks like I have a fresh start. This one lathers extremely well, so you can use this once or twice if needed. I will typically only use it once, but I have used it twice before if I do just notice a lot of buildup or that my hair isn't feeling as clean and reset afterwards. But typically once is enough, and it is safe for color treated hair. I have had color treated hair for many years now, and I've never noticed that this has affected that in any way. And one thing to note is that I find it important to use a conditioner or a mask after using a clarifying shampoo. I do not notice that my hair feels brittle or super dry after using clarifying shampoos, and this one in particular, but I do always follow with a conditioner or a mask to try and avoid that and keep my hair feeling hydrated. But this is really great. I probably use it about once a week or once every 2 weeks, just whenever I notice that my hair feels heavy, and it is a game changer for buildup.